Number 66, Playing Soccer by Rhoda. We are doing more portato bowing. Go back to 64, play this bowing with your scales, and just be comfy with it. Take your time and get comfortable with it. Those are my pieces of advice always. So we're in G major because we have that one sharp. So that means low 2 on the A and the E string. We're only playing on the D and the A, it looks like. So that fourth finger is going to be on the E. No cheating. So D, D, E, D, C natural. Let's pluck through it and say it at the same time. 3 fingers. And since we're using those 3 fingers, 3, 3, 4, have the other 2 fingers behind it and have that second finger already low because you're going to use it. Let's pluck. Ready, go. D, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, D. 2, 3, lift. D, D, E, D, C natural, B, A, D, B. 2, 3, lift. D, D, E, D, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp. 2, 3, lift. D, E, F, G, A, C natural, B, A, G. 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's do it with the bow. 1, 2, 3. That second finger low. 1, 2. Ready, go.